Have you ever wondered, what is deep learning and how does it work? Well, you're not alone. Deep learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that trains artificial neural networks to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. It doesn't need to be explicitly programmed to carry out these tasks. In fact, it's inspired by the very structure and function of our own neural networks in the human brain. Deep learning shines in areas such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even autonomous driving. But how does it all work? The answer lies in artificial neural networks, or ANNs. These are the cornerstone of deep learning. They're made up of interconnected nodes, or neurons, organized in layers. Each neuron performs a simple mathematical operation, and the connections between neurons transmit signals. By adjusting these connections and parameters, these networks can learn to recognize complex patterns and relationships in data. Just like the human brain processes information, deep learning mimics this process. It has layers of neurons that process input data, extract features, and make predictions. This hierarchical structure allows them to learn representations of data, much like how our brains process sensory information. By emulating the brain's mechanisms, deep learning achieves remarkable feats in AI, such as understanding images, language, and other complex tasks. However, deep learning does face some challenges. One primary hurdle is the need for large amounts of labeled data. This is crucial for training models in supervised learning tasks, where the model learns to associate input data with corresponding output labels. Yet labeling data can be time-consuming, labor-intensive, and expensive. It can be particularly challenging when tasks require expert knowledge or human judgment, or when data privacy, security, or confidentiality are concerns. Another challenge is the sheer computational complexity of deep learning. These models require substantial processing power to train and deploy effectively. Training deep neural networks involves performing millions or even billions of mathematical operations to adjust the model's parameters and minimize the difference between its predictions and the true labels. As a result, training deep learning models can be time-consuming and resource-intensive, requiring specialized hardware, such as graphics processing units or tensor processing units, to accelerate computations. In summary, deep learning is a sophisticated branch of artificial intelligence that learns from data to make predictions or decisions, mirroring the way our own brains process information. It is a powerful tool, but it's not without its challenges. From the need for large amounts of labeled data to the computational complexity of its models, deep learning continues to be a fascinating field that pushes the boundaries of what AI can achieve.